using my 2006 Toyota Sienna LE, fixing the tail lights. As you can see, I already pulled out the back panel. This is the backup light, the white one, running light. On the corner one is your blinkers and turning signals. So I'm trying here to fix it up. These are the light bulbs. This one is for the backup light, the white light, and that's the number. This is the running light, the one on the door, and that's the number 2, the number for the light bulb that you want to get it. See, as you can see, they're gone out. This one is the backup light on the door, but it's still good, but I'm gonna replace them as well. I pull out the back panel. This is the corner light, the blinkers, and that's the number 7443 blinker, or the one on the corner. Number 194, that's for the running lights on the door. And 921 is the backup light, the white circle, and that goes on the door. Those are the numbers. Okay, here's an update. Just went through those light bulbs. 921 is the backup light. 194 is the running light, and that's on the door. And 7443, that's the one on the corner, the blinker for turning signals. So they're all in right there. As you can see, I got lights. Well, everything looks good. So, thank you for watching this, and these numbers are really helpful. I know some other YouTube videos have them, how to pull the panel, but we need what light bulbs do we need. So hopefully this will help somebody else. Thank you. Oh, the reason I put the numbers because I went to the multiple auto parts and they don't know what numbers, so I had to pull them out, and I went to a local auto parts, and the guy said, yeah, we have, and I know the numbers that you're looking for. Okay, thank you. Have a good day.